Today we see the numerical which is related to the heat transfer. That is the first the numerical a wire 2.0 mm in diameter and 18 centimeter long is submerged in water at atmospheric pressure. An electric current is passed through the wire until the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. In case the wire surface temperature is needed to be maintained at 125 degrees Celsius, determine the electric power supplied to the wire. Assume convective heat transfer coefficient as 4000 W per m meter square Kelvin. Here, whatever information you have to provide, a diameter of wire given data, diameter of wire D is given 2 mm, then convert into meter 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Because of 1 meter that is equal to 1000 mm. Then next, whatever information, length of wire, length of wire L is equal to 18 centimeter. Then convert into meter, 0.18 meter. 1 centimeter that is equal to 100 meter. Particularly, here 1 meter that is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 18 centimeter that is equal to 0.18 meter. Then wire surface temperature. Wire surface temperature. Then TW 125 degrees Celsius. Next is fluid temperature. Fluid temperature T infinity that is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Then H is equal to convective heat transfer rate 4000 W per meter square kV. Then surface area of wire exposure is equal to pi d T. Next, pi dl, pi into T is given 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, L is 0.18. Then you can calculate, then final value you will get 1.131 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters square. In this problem, the first diameter of wire is given 2 meter, 2 mm, that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, then convert into meter. Length of the wire 18 centimeter, L is given, then convert 0.18 meter. Wire surface temperature TW 125 degrees Celsius. Fluid temperature T infinity 100 degrees Celsius. H is given 4000 W per meter square Kelvin. Surface area of wire exposed A is equal to pi dl. Then you will get surface area. Then here we can apply the formula Q is equal to H into A TW minus T infinity. That is the formula for the power the heat transfer rate. You can easily calculate. We put up all the value 4000 into area 1.131 into 10 raised to minus 3 into TW 125 minus T infinity 100 bracket complete. Then calculate Q. The final value of Q 113.1 watt. This is the final value of the Q. Very simple way to calculate the diameter of the wire here. Diameter of the wire D is equal to mm, then convert into meter, 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Then length of the wire L 18 centimeter, then convert into meter, 0.18 meter. Then wire surface temperature TW 125 degrees Celsius. Then fluid temperature is represented by T infinity 100 degrees Celsius. H is given. Then first calculate area. Then after getting area, you can use the formula for the heat transfer rate. Q is equal to H into A in bracket TW minus T infinity. Then we put up all these values. Then you will finally find out the unknown values of Q. That is heat transfer rate. That is our aim. Very simple way to find out Q. According to standard formula, Q is equal to H into A into TW minus T infinity. Then we take a next example, very easy to calculate each and every an immersion water heater of surface area 0.1 meter square and rating 1 kilowatt is designed to operate fully submerged in water. Estimate the surface temperature of heater when the water is at 40 degrees Celsius and H water that is equal to 300 W per meter square Kelvin. If the heater is by mistake used in air at 40 degrees Celsius with H air that is equal to 9 W per meter square Kelvin, what will be the surface temperature? In the problem, area is given data. Area is given, the value is 0.1 meter square. Q is given, heat transfer rate 1 kilowatt, 1 watt. Then next is the surface temperature TW 40 degrees Celsius. Then fluid temperature, air temperature, that value is 40 degrees Celsius. Next, whatever information is given, HW for water 300 W per meter square Kelvin. Next, HA for air 9 W per meter square Kelvin. Next, to find out surface temperature TS. In the given information or data, the area is given, Q is given, TW is given, TA is given. TW means temperature of water, temperature of air temperature, HW, HA and TS. The first we use the formula Q is equal to delta T upon R. Then you apply here Q is equal to 1 watt. Then we convert into kilowatt. TS minus TW. TS minus TW. That is the formula for delta T upon 1 upon HWA. Then we substitute the value 1000. TS is given. TS minus TW. TS is not given. TW is given upon 0.1. Then from the above equation we find out the value of TS 73.33 degrees Celsius. Surface temperature, once we find out surface temperature, then we calculate air. This is for water. This is for water. Then we calculate for air the same formula 1000 TS minus TW upon 1 upon HA into A. TS minus TW, TA instead of W means TA 40 upon 1 upon 9 into 0.1. Then we calculate Ts, the value we will get. This is the final value you will get. Very simple way to calculate surface temperature. The information is air is given, then heat transfer rate is given, water temperature, air temperature, HW, HA. Then how to calculate Ts? We calculate Ts for both water as well as air. The formula Q is equal to delta T upon R. Then convert into kilowatt. 1000 Ts minus TW upon HWA. Then we put up all values. Then you can easily calculate the known values. Here, kilowatt. Kilo is 10,000. Sorry for that. The value of the heat transfer rate is given in kilowatt. Then 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt. Then similarly we find out for the air. The formula will be same, but instead of water we replace only air. Then we can easily calculate the surface temperature. Okay. Thank you for